Welcome to our video. Today we focus on helping you improve your English pronunciation and speaking skills using a method of the shadowing technique. Shadowing involves listening to the local sound and repeating it out loud 1 second behind the speaker to improve pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. If you struggle to keep up with the speaker, you can adjust the playback speed in the settings to slow it down and make it easier to follow. Follow along, practice with us and see how much progress you can make. Let's get started.
Welcome. This story is written to help learners at the A1, A2 level improve their English. You're ready? Let's begin. The Journey to Victory, a story of passion and perseverance. Sports have the power to change lives. They teach us about teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. This is the story of a young boy named Oliver who learned the true meaning of determination through football. A dream begins. Oliver was a 12-year-old boy who lived in a small town in England. He loved football more than anything in the world. Every day after school, he would run to the park with his friends and play until the sun went down. His biggest dream was to play for his school's football team. One day, the school coach announced tryouts for the football team. Oliver was excited but also nervous. He knew that many boys were stronger and faster than him. However, he decided to give it his best shot. The first challenge. On the day of the tryouts, Oliver saw many talented players. Some had been playing for years, while others were already part of local football clubs. The coach divided the boys into teams and asked them to play short matches. Oliver tried his best, but he was not as fast as the other boys. He missed several passes and even fell once while trying to take a shot. At the end of the day, the coach announced the names of the players who made the team. Oliver's name was not on the list. He felt heartbroken. He had worked so hard, but it was not enough. That night, he told his parents what had happened. His father smiled and said, "Failure is not the end, Oliver. It's just the beginning. If you really want to succeed, you must work harder." Training harder. Oliver decided not to give up. Every morning before school, he woke up early and practiced in his backyard. He worked on his dribbling, passing, and shooting skills. His father also helped him by setting up small challenges. At first, it was difficult. His legs hurt, and he felt tired. But as the weeks passed, he noticed an improvement. He could dribble past cones faster and shoot with more accuracy. His confidence grew, and he started enjoying the hard work. A second chance. A few months later, the school coach announced that one of the players on the team had to leave due to an injury. The coach decided to hold another tryout to find a replacement. This was Oliver's second chance. This time, he felt ready. He stepped onto the field with confidence. When the match started, Oliver used everything he had learned. He passed the ball with precision, controlled it well, and even scored a goal. The coach was impressed. At the end of the tryout, the coach called Oliver's name. "You have improved a lot, Oliver. Welcome to the team," he said. Oliver could not believe it. His hard work had paid off. He ran home with joy and told his parents the good news. They hugged him and reminded him that determination and effort always lead to success. Facing new challenges. Being on the team was exciting, but it was also difficult. The training sessions were intense, and the coach expected every player to perform well. Oliver struggled to keep up at first, but he never gave up. He kept practicing and pushing himself to get better. During one of the matches, Oliver's team was losing 1-0. With only a few minutes left, the ball came to Oliver. He took a deep breath, controlled the ball, and ran towards the goal. He dodged one defender, then another, and finally took a shot. The ball flew past the goalkeeper and landed in the net. The crowd cheered. Oliver's teammates ran to him and patted him on the back. The game ended in a draw, and Oliver had saved his team from losing. It was one of the proudest moments of his life. The road to victory. As months passed, Oliver continued to improve. His team won several matches, and he became an important player. One day, the coach told him that he had been selected to play in the regional school tournament. Oliver was nervous but also excited. The tournament was a big event, and many great teams would be competing. He trained harder than ever, waking up early every morning and staying late after school to practice. On the day of the tournament, Oliver's team played their first match. They won 2-0. The next match was more difficult, but they still managed to win. After several rounds, they reached the final. The final match was against the strongest team in the tournament. The game was tough, and both teams played well. With only 5 minutes left, the score was 1-1. Then, Oliver received a pass near the goal. He took a quick shot, and the ball went in. His team had won the tournament. Oliver was overjoyed. All the hard work, the early mornings, and the tough training had led to this moment. He had achieved his dream. Lessons learned. Oliver's journey taught him many lessons. He learned that failure is not the end but a chance to improve. He understood that hard work and perseverance can make any dream possible. Most importantly, he realized that success is not just about talent, but also about effort and determination. Years later, Oliver became a professional footballer. He never forgot the lessons he learned as a young boy. Whenever he met young players, he would tell them, "Believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up. The road may be difficult, but the journey is worth it."
Thank you for watching the video. We hope this video was helpful for your English practice. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us improve, and by sharing your thoughts, you can connect with others on their English learning journey. Let's grow together. See you next time.